Hi, welcome over to YouTube channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction, Mind Power. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. Now my friend, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now. Click on the red button to subscribe and click on the bell notification button so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. We have already a lot of new videos. We already have a lot of videos in the past. You might have not seen, so go back to them on Hypnosis, NLP, and Law of Attraction and Mind Power. And now in this video, my friends, I'm going to show you the clippings from my live training program. So there is a specific technique we are going to discuss here. So watch them, learn from there, and when you like this videos, please share and leave comments. So go to the live seminar now. Thank you. Now, this is called non-verbal induction. So why I ask him to check this? So he understands the signals, then only it will work, otherwise not, right? Now, I will be not using any words. So once we start, to bring you out, I will not say 1, 2, 3. I will touch you here like this. It is a signal for you to open your eyes and come back. You understand? So now all the talking is over. Good, fantastic. Hi my friend, you really enjoyed what you learned from the live training program. This is the kind of workshop we conduct, different kind of workshop, hypnosis, NLP, law of attraction. So my friend, if you are really interested in attending a live training program, click on the bell button down or call us on our mobile number. If there is a workshop happening right now, register for the workshop. We conduct workshop on hypnosis, NLP, and law of attraction and mind power. And I personally work with the sportsmen. So my friend, if you are a sportsman, call us for 101 session. So my friend, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. We are going to upload a lot of new videos now, to the point videos, short but simple videos. And I am sure you are already enjoying this video. So my friend, see you personally sometime in the future, and thank you very much and all the best. Thank you.